Welcome to my channel, PeekAboo-AI Surveillance. We explore how AI is used in video and audio surveillance. If you're new, please subscribe. Don't miss out on crucial news and information about AI surveillance. Links for tutorials are in the description. To all returning subscribers, welcome back. Enjoy the tutorial. You look up at the night sky. That silent blinking light isn't a star, it's an autonomous quadcopter. It's surveilling your every move. Private contracts have turned your suburb into an observation zone. This happens without your consent. Facial recognition and thermal sensors dismantle your privacy. What is quadcopter patrolling? It's using drones for security monitoring, surveillance, and inspections. They cover specific areas like perimeters, construction sites, or borders. These drones follow pre-programmed routes. They use high definition and thermal cameras. They identify intruders, track individuals, or inspect infrastructure. For security and surveillance, they augment ground teams. They offer real-time aerial footage of incidents. AI enables drones to detect people, boats, or vehicles. Configurable confidence levels minimize false positives despite benefits like cost-effectiveness, increased safety, and improved coverage and visibility. There are privacy and public concerns. They are often viewed as invasive, causing resentment. Legal issues arise regarding surveillance over residential areas. These are known as drone first responder programs. DFR programs raise significant public concerns about surveillance, data privacy, and potential misuse. Regarding private property intrusion, drones can record video of backyards and homes. This happens even without strict policies. Concerns exist over how long footage is stored, who can access it, could it be shared with other authorities. These are ongoing concerns. Warrant requirements exist for quadcopters. Approximately 1/3 of US states require a warrant. The FAA oversees airspace but considers privacy outside its authority. Local laws implement regulations. The FAA proposed new regulations to loosen restrictions on autonomous drone flights. If unchanged, this rule will greatly expand autonomous drone operations in American airspace. Private contractors faced hurdles for insurance, not about drones falling but data storage. Their main concern: how are images stored? How will operators be trained and audited? To ensure cameras stay where they should, not zooming into neighbors' windows. What data is captured? Public concern for personal and data privacy remains. Other states already have autonomous drone patrol. Slowly, this will slip into every neighborhood. The mission: how to gain public acceptance. Comment your thoughts below. Many thanks for checking out my tutorial. All links are in the description. Please subscribe so you won't miss important AI surveillance info. Check out the thumbnails at the end for similar content. And don't forget, PeekAboo-AI. See you now.